What's up? How y'all doing? We are back, and today we are installing our power steering cooler. And yeah, this seems like it should be relatively simple. Shouldn't be too difficult to do. We have this, we have, well, the radiator, we have the mounting bracket, the replacement cables, and we have a little small adapter, well, a big adapter for this fitting that will go to the front carrier. This line will replace this that comes off of your rack and pinion. And yeah, so pretty chill. Let's go ahead and grab this guy, this little nut here. This goes right here on this beautiful piece that sticks out on your frame. Go ahead and put that on. It looks like it's a probably an 11 mil or a 12. No, was a bit off on my guesstimations. That is a 13 millimeter. So let's go ahead and put that on. Let's not cross thread anything. It like wants to go on but doesn't, so I'm kind of concerned. I probably should have used the longer extension or doubled up on the extensions. Realistically, if you're doing this and your engine's not out, your wheel will be off. You'll be back up over here trying to get into there. It'll be a pain in the ass. Won't be fun at all. I don't know what it'll be like trying to get to this with everything in the way as well, because you need to go from inside of here to this, which needs to go onto here. I had this on wrong, so it's a little bit messed up already. It's my own fault. I'm stupid. Alright, so we get that right there. Then we get this one right here. Get it all the way on. Grab one of these. Put it all the way on. Come to here. Put this one here. And you're going to tighten this up. Kind of weird step order here that I'm doing this, but it's how my brain's working, apparently. It's funny, it says it's not meant for colder climates, but you know, we're gonna do it anyways. Shout out Michigan. Seems pretty good. I mean, they were a pain in the ass to get off. I'm just more worried about something squirting out from here, but hopefully not. So what we're gonna need to do is to get another one here as well, and put it on the inside here. I'll do that in a second. Alright, so you're going to set your radiator up like so, and then you will put it into here like so. It doesn't fit underneath. Okay, the little bit of work it'll fit. There we go. Now that goes here. And where'd the other one go? Oh, it's underneath the car. Beautiful. Bada boom, bada bing. I gotta figure out what size those are. They look like 10s, maybe 8s. But, alright, now that that's here, mounted, for the most part, we can kind of figure out what to do with the lines. This one is gonna go over here. Alright. Get that bad Jesse on. Now we gotta take this here clamper. Get your clamp, and I'm gonna put it this way. That way I can get to the screw easier. And we want to tighten that bad boy down. That is going to route here. Bring it on to the next section. Alright, so this would be an 11 and a 10 millimeter here, so get your socket or your crescents and tighten away. This one you're going to want to do from in here, so you want it facing this way. Alright, basically I go until it doesn't spin anymore, and I call that tight enough. Probably push it a little bit further, I don't really know. I don't know if that's proper. There's probably like torque ratings or something that you're supposed to go at, but it's a fucking clamp. Just clamp it. And yeah, there we go. It's installed for the most part. Now we gotta just swap over the lines over here. Let's go do that now. So it's easy enough here. You're gonna wanna take the short cable and basically get your clamp, put her on, and then short cable goes over this here. And it has its little, it's perfect. It's perfect, quite perfect. There we go. Love to see it. So let's go ahead and get this. I probably should have done it this way. It would have been perfect if they were all matching, but you know, it is what it is. Should be good. Now to the one that might be a little bit more difficult. This guy over here. Hopefully that's a, I don't know, I don't think that's a 13. It looks more like a 10. Oh, it's not even on. It's perfect actually. The only thing that sucks is I gotta get this off to use on this. I mean, I don't have to, but I need to, let's do some zip ties. Alright, now the fun part comes in. This is all rusty and crusty, so we have to get this off of the actual rack and pinion here. So let's try to get this off. Wow, that was actually really fucking easy. Now, I think we need to get the clamp off so that we can put it on here and then put that on there. So, I guess let me try to figure out how the fuck to take this thing off. Is that it, really? All right, that is all. Let's put this beastly piece through somehow. I guess you can just kind of like spread this as much as you want and it's not gonna rip apart. That's kind of what I was afraid of, but whatever, it doesn't happen. Or you wanna get your little clamp. I'm gonna set it up like that. Push this fucker on. Come on. Right, we put that there. And get our screwdriver. Tighten this up. Oh, sir. Man, that was a pain in the ass to get on. Oh yes, dude, fucking lovely. Cannot catch a fucking break today, bro. What the fuck? Push lock plus. Yeah, these motherfuckers are push lock plus for sure. Jesus Christ. I mean, I guess you don't want power steering fluid to leak, but alright, now you take this little guy with this little guy, looks to be, that's a 12, why the fuck did I try that? It looks like a 10, but either way, you gotta clamp this with that, like this. How you like my bald ass head? So get your little jaws of life over here. You're gonna wanna clamp this fucker. Alright, let's grab this little guy here, throw it through. Bada boom, bada bing. It's honestly probably just stripping in there, but you know, it's fine. Dude, insert clip. Alright, now for this, I'm gonna go ahead and basically just zip tie it to these two to make it plush and flush, baby. I don't know what goes in these. I would assume pins go in these. I probably don't have them though, to be honest. We'll find out. If I have to cut it, I have to cut it. More than likely I'll end up putting them through with the pins or something, or trying to find a way to do both. Let's take a nice up close look. Alright, so obviously power steering cooler or power steering pump is going to be right here. Comes down this line and recycles back through here, which we installed. We have the big pipe with the adapter to the little line, which goes in to the actual radiator, which then is mounted with this bracket, which mounts to this a pre-existing bolt on the car. And then you have this line that comes down perfect length out. You mount it here, here. I don't know if those are the specific spots. That's where I'm mounting it on mine. You need to have this little mount here, and it mounts straight into the rack and pinion. Beautiful. They offer a front replacement line as well, which I assume would just be one of these that goes the whole way down, or something similar where it's a little line to a big line. I don't know. This hard line is perfectly good, so I don't want to replace it. And I mean, this line looks good too, so we have solved the the power steering fluid cooler situation. Remember that little shitter that was sitting here, super rusted out. Now we are looking a bit more professional. Hopefully the audio didn't get fucked up throughout this. I don't know. I've been having issues with the adapter, so you know, it is what it is. I don't know if there's going to be more for this video. At this point, I'm not really waiting on any parts, so it'll probably be a little bit more of a drawn out video if I can make it long. If not, we'll come back and we'll continue doing stuff. I do need to figure this out. This is not long enough to be the drain. It's just not gonna work. So I need to do some research to see if I can get like an AN like setup of some sort. And yeah, that means we're gonna probably have to take the plug out of the oil pan, hopefully find an AN line that will fit to the threads that we tapped it to. I think I kept the extra barbed one that I bought so I would know what threads it is. Hopefully I did and wasn't a dumbass and got rid of it. No, it's right here. Boom. We use 1/4 MNPT to 3/8 fuel line fitting. So does that mean the thread is 1/4 MNPT, right? And then it'd be like a 3/8 inch barb. So I don't know if they have like 1/4 MNPT to like AN. It would be like 5/8 AN maybe. Something small. It'd be definitely small, but all it is an oil drain. I don't know. I don't know how restrictive that'll be for flow though. It's fucking stupid. Yeah. This is done now. All we need is the fuel pump internals. So, I mean, done, not fully, but done enough that it's done, you know. So, all right, I'm done talking and rambling. I will see you all in the next video, likely, where I don't know what we'll be doing. If we'll be doing car stuff or riding the bike. We'll probably be on the bike. Maybe do some car stuff. I doubt it.